Okay, good morning, good afternoon, depending from where you are watching. Today we want to just educate you about fuse in the bike. So if your bike is having the problem of no light coming on the dash screen, you will check no light coming on the screen, or the key is not working. You will check fuse number 10, and if you check fuse number 10, the fuse number 10 will be around here. Fuse number 10 will be here. Yes, you open your this place and you go to the box. This is where fuse number 10 is. You open the number 15. You open the fuse number 10. You check. You open the fuse. You check. There is a small connection there. You check that connection. You see inside there's a small connection. You check the connection. Now the connection is showing where. If this place is disconnected, therefore the thing is bad. But if it's not disconnected, you allow it, you put it back. You put it back. You check another one. You check the fuses. This other one too. This one is extra fuse. This one is extra fuse. Yeah, extra fuse. In case you don't have another fuse, you can use it for extra. This is extra fuse. You put the extra fuse. You put in the extra fuse. You put in the extra fuse like this. You put in the extra fuse. You also check this other one. You also check this other one. You check. Yeah, this one is okay too. This one number 15. This is the extra fuse. Also at the corner. You put it back. You check the battery. You check everywhere if there is a problem or not. You open it. So you open it like this. You check if everything is okay. Yeah, if everything is okay, the fuse, the battery. Okay, so if everything down there, the fuse, the battery, everything is okay, and the ignition is still not working, this is where you come now. You open, yes, you open this place, and you look for this plug, the white one. It has two wires. Yes, the two wires. You open it. You open like this. You open like this, and you look. You can look for a wire to connect. Direct. This is the direct connection for you to check if everything is okay. With it, you chook it directly. This they call it direct connection. Now you see, when you connect it direct, you see that everything, there's light now at the dashboard. Everything now is on. You come back, you give the direct connection. So okay, so this tip is just about showing bikes the little problems about bike, so you can solve it by yourself, not by going to the mechanic or the technician to solve it for you. So you first check this is the direct connection. You can check the this is the bike. This is where you check the direct connection. This is what you do when your bike is not coming on. And so these are just simple tips. These are simple tips about bike, and the simple complaint that you can.
Left hand side cover.
Yes, left hand side cover. The left side cover. Yes, this is the left hand side cover. So you open it and check. You check the battery. You check the fuses if they are okay, and then you can go back to that place. So this is just a simple tips. These are simple tips of you repairing your bike without taking it to the technician.